box. It looks so... Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be eating Japanese food for 24 hours. First we are going to make breakfast. I'm thinking to make miso soup because that's the only Japanese soup I know how to make. And something on the side. Pretty simple. I think I can make it. So let's start. I just realized the most important ingredient of miso soup is the miso paste, which I don't have. So I'll order it now and I'll see you back when I get in the kitchen to make the soup. Guys, I can't believe I made this. Look at this box. It looks so cute, like those Pinteresty bento box that I keep seeing. I'm really proud of this eggs. I never made this the first time and I'm excited to eat this. The miso soup also looks really good. It looks like the ones I ordered at the restaurant. I never made it using a broth powder. That's really good. Rice, I'm not sure. I did not see any recipe or anything. I just put whatever ingredients made sense and some carrot. Eggs taste so good with ketchup. This is bomb.com. This is very close to the ones I had in a restaurant. Just that it needs a little bit of salt. Tastes really good, and the silken tofu is my favorite. These are called wakame seeds. I had this for over a year. I think they're expired. This is actually falling apart. This is onigiri, I think. So let me take a bite. Overall, I'm gonna rate this 10 out of 10. 9.5. For sure, I'm gonna make this again, especially this box. I always keep trying new dishes even though I don't like cooking, but I don't know why I never tried this combination of box before. I'm gonna finish all this, but I think I'm gonna be very full after this, so I guess this is my lunch as well. Brunch. This is my brunch. I am so hungry. I'm gonna be very full after this. I'm actually starving right now. This is my brunch. I think I'm gonna make ramen if I have. This is the noodle I'm gonna use. This is Somyeon noodle. I'm thinking if I should just make ramen or something on the side as well. Starving is a big word. Right now I feel like I've been cooking for days. I don't think I've ever cooked this much in one day. I still have dinner left. Can I quit this video? This is how it looks. I think I slightly messed this up because the noodles were overcooked. I did not have some of the ingredients like the chili paste and I think few more things. This is surprisingly really good. This is my first time making. I really like this. I just wish the noodles weren't this much cooked, but flavor wise 10 on 10. I got a mango and chili kombucha. Last time I tried a different mango kombucha in one of my videos and it was absolutely shit. I still wanted to try this because this is actually a Japanese drink, kombucha. Although the origin of kombucha is in China, it is adopted by Japan as well. So I thought let's get this because I could not find any other Japanese drink. It's actually good. It is non-alcoholic, but it does taste close to a sweet beer. I actually like this one. Maybe I will get more of this. I'm struggling a lot with this chopstick, so I'm gonna use the fork. I did not finish the ramen. It was way too much, and with each bite, I liked it a little less. It wasn't bad, it's just that I can't eat a lot of it. Okay, dinner time. For dinner, I'm gonna make the katsu curry. I got the katsu curry cube delivered right now. Where is it? I'm going to follow a recipe. I don't want to eyeball everything because I really want this to taste good. So I just realized that I forgot to press record. So basically I have vegetables. We have onion, carrot, potato, or brinjal that I'm going to fry. So we have the cubes for the curry. I have prepared the breadcrumbs, the egg which I'm going to fry in oil. So yeah, I am craving Japanese dessert. Thought I'll prepare the sponge cake, but that did not happen, and right now I don't think I have enough energy to even bother to make one. So I was thinking whether or not I should order, because I thought it's gonna be like home cooked Japanese food. But I think a dessert is fine. I cook the whole day. I can treat myself to a dessert. So we're gonna order sponge cake, Japanese sponge cake, if it is available. I took a bite and I'm not kidding. This is by far the best meal of the day. The breakfast was good, the lunch was edible. I mean, it wasn't that bad, it was okay, but this is restaurant quality. This is crispy as hell. I don't know how much you can hear, but curry is amazing. Way better than what you would get in the restaurants. Please, if you ever want to cook anything in life, try this one. This is delish. I'm not gonna lie you guys, but I'm actually very proud of myself for how good this turned out to be. So oh my god, this is amazing.
Not necessarily.
So that's it, the day finally ends. If I were to repeat one of the dishes that I made, it would definitely be the katsu curry. It was fabulous. I would make the breakfast, but not every day. The lunch needs some improvement, and this cake, this was bomb. Like, it's not too sweet and it was healthy. That's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.